So here I am again doing another puzzle tutorial real quick. Today I'm going to be doing the Bilz Money Bank box puzzle. It's a bank puzzle. It's kind of like a gift gag deal, where if you get the ball bearing to the end goal, it hits the spring and slides out this little drawer. You can put like a gift card or money in there, or a gift certificate or something like that. It's kind of a cool puzzle. I got it a long time ago. I've kept it for all these years. It's pretty cool. It's a fun puzzle to mess around with. I haven't done it in a long time. I'm gonna try to solve it. The one thing I didn't really like about the puzzle, when I first got it, you couldn't really see where you're supposed to start and where you're supposed to end. So what I did, I don't know if you can see on my camera, if I can get the lighting. I did with a really small acrylic paint. I put a start where the ball starts, and on the back side I put where you're supposed to get the ball to end. It's actually, you kind of start on the other side. It is a two-sided puzzle, which is kind of cool. The ball has to go through both sides. It starts with a fake $1,000 bill, and I put a 20 on mine just for demonstration purposes. I also, on the back, I've just put a white piece of paper so you can actually see the ball travel a little bit better if there's something back there. So it's pretty fun. I'm going to try to solve it if I can remember how to do it. Hopefully it shows up on video.
Play a little ping pong, play a little ding dong,